Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. So autumn is around the corner and it's my favorite season, so I wanted to create a very quick and super easy look for autumn. It is a bit dramatic, but like I said, easy, and I will explain it to you step by step so you can recreate it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up please if you do like this look. And now let's get started. So I'm going to grab my e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-hour Camo Concealer and Anastasia's A4 brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. The concealer, I like to use it 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. It might be a bit too light for you guys, but as you can see, the other eye, once the eyeshadows and everything is done, it doesn't look too light. And I'm going to use the same concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. I'm blending it out with my e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. You can also use your finger. Just make sure you do it in tapping motion and not swiping, and it does have to be nice and blended in order for the eyeshadows to apply and blend out nice. Do not move to the next step until you have it nice and blended. Then I'm going to set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and a fluffy brush from Profusion, and I'm going to do this in tapping motions so the concealer doesn't move, and this will help a lot, especially if you're going to be using dark eyeshadows. The eyeshadows just blend out a lot smoother, faster, and easier, so I highly recommend this step if you are a beginner. Today I will be using this eyeshadow palette from Pixi. It's different from the one I used in my previous tutorial. If you want to see that tutorial, I will leave it in the description box below. First, I'm going to grab this eyeshadow using the brush from Luxie, and this part is really easy because I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid and then blend it out on my crease and a little bit above my crease. Once I'm blending it above my crease, I like to do it in circular motions, but like I said, this is going to be easy, especially since I already set the concealer. That's already very helpful to blend out eyeshadows. Now I'm going to grab this eyeshadow using the brush from Profusion, and I'm going to apply it in tapping motions on the outer corner of my eyelid. Once I have that there, I'm also going to bring it into my crease just a little bit. I don't want to cover up a lot of the first eyeshadow I applied right there on the crease, so I'm just going to keep blending it out, and I will be applying 2 layers because I want this tone to be a bit darker. Also, I want the corner of the eyeshadow to be rounded, so I blend it out right there in circular motions. And if you need help blending out these eyeshadows even more, you can use your pressed powder or translucent powder and a clean brush with just a little bit of that product and just start blending out the eyeshadows. I'm also going to apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but I'm using a different, smaller brush. And I normally just want that eyeshadow to be just right under my lash line, but this time I'm going to blend it out even lower than that. So I will be applying a few layers to deepen up the shade. And don't forget to connect this eyeshadow to the eyeshadow on the top on the outer corner. With the same little brush, I'm going to grab this darker eyeshadow and apply this on the lower lash line, but this one I'm just going to try to keep it as close to the lash line as I can, and obviously I don't want to cover up a lot of the first eyeshadow I applied right there. And again, I'm going to apply a few layers to deepen up the shade even more. For the shimmery eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this liquid eyeshadow from Pixi. I don't want to start with a lot, so I'm going to take off the excess product on the back of my hand and then start applying it on my eyelid. And I'm telling you guys, this product, it's one of my favorite products to use because it's a lot easier than applying loose glitter, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's just glitter in a tube, but this one you just apply really quick and easy. So I highly recommend them. Now to blend out the edges on the crease, I'll be using the same little applicator and just very lightly go over the edges. I don't want to have a lot of product on the brush or the applicator thingy. I just want to blend out the glitter, and I want the shimmer to be visible, so I do want this to go above the crease. Then I'm going to apply this eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild on my waterline, and this will make my eyes look small, but I actually love that for dramatic looks. Then I'm going to grab the Anastasia and Ombre Z highlighter and apply it on my inner corner just to add a bit more shimmer to my eyes, and this is going to help the eyes stand out. And of course, the eyelashes are going to be from my brand EyesomeLux in the style EyesomeLux. This one's my favorite style that we offer. I will leave the link to my website in the description box below in case you are interested. And that's the last step to complete this look. I also applied mascara on my lower lashes, but I kind of forgot to press record when I applied the mascara. Anyways, I really hope you guys like this look. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. And like I said, this is a bit dramatic and it might be a little bit too dramatic for some of you. And if you want something more simple, let me know in the comments. But if you were looking for a dramatic eye look that is easy and quick to do, I hope you like this one. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and please don't forget to leave a like for this video and share it with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!